Thank you, Dobby. Yay! Oh, kalma ka lang. Relax ka lang. Top 3 pala siya. Miss Faith. Thank you, Miss Faith. God bless sa'yo. Sabi ni Jonathan. Thank you, Dobby. Pa-share po sa live. 79 viewers. Happy Monday, Miss Faith. Thank you so much. Hello kay Solo. Good morning. Thank you, Miss Faith. Hello, ET viewers. Good morning. Hello, Miss Faith. Thank you so much. Hello daw, sabi ni Jonathan. One more. Hello, Ruth. Good morning. Thank you, Dobby. Number 2, good morning. Tuntua Jonathan. Thank you, Dobby. God bless sa'yo, B. Hello po. Si Heart, good morning. Thank you ulit, Miss Faith. Sobrang salamat. Miyaw si Jonathan. Oh, kalma lang, relax ka lang. Thank you so much, Miss Faith. Nasa hospital ako. Bakit? Harasuko. Hello sa'yo, guys. Anong nangyari? Nasa hospital.